Oh hey, it's me, Pinky, again. I'm gonna do a review on this Steak-eze Chop House Favorites breaded chicken club sandwich that we got at Costco. I'm gonna start doing this because my husband brings up so much stuff from Costco, and so I'm gonna start doing like a review on them, on anything that he brings that I eat. Because I try everything out, and if I get really hungry, I might have something like that, but we'll talk about my diet some other time. Tender and juicy breaded chicken breast patty with red meat, with American cheese and bacon on a sesame seed bun. Okay, I've already heated it up. I cut it in half because we're going to split it. My husband and I. And that's what it looked like. That's the cheese, the chicken. I'm going to show you. I took a bite out of this already, but then I remembered I had wanted to do a review over it, so that's what the bacon looks like. This is the layer of bacon right here. Again, I have dirty fingernails.
What?
I said again today I have dirty fingernails. Here's your half. I'm just assessing it right now. Hold on. It's the chicken club one. I'm doing a review on it. How does it fit? What do you think of it? Good? The bacon is...
Can you get through that?
What? Oh, okay. Alright. I sure will. Bacon.
This morning, these dogs had about 4 or 5 washcloths.
Oh, I just bought them. They were white rags.
Yeah.
I just bought them. They have those rags for only 50 cents at Family Dollar. 50 cents a piece. Well, I'm not sure how I feel about this sandwich. It is... no fighting. The dogs want it. They're down here really want it. That thin layer of bacon has got some flavor to it. I'll tell you why he brought this. This is the bacon. Okay, I'm going to be very honest right here. This is very unappetizing looking. But it doesn't have a bad flavor. Kind of a smoky bacon flavor to the chicken. The reason he bought these is because I wanted some of those chicken bakes. I love them. And they didn't have any. I guess he was at the wrong store. Alright, well, nothing to rave about. Steak-eze Chop House favorite breaded chicken club sandwich. I'm trying to figure out what to say. Because I can't even taste it. Like, the chicken is just a bland, gooey thing in the middle that you can feel, but you really can't tell that it's chicken. It could be anything. The bacon is the flavor that stands out, and the American cheese just disappeared. I think my husband might have got most of it on his half. Mine had just a little, which never fails. I'm just going to finish it because I opened it, so, but it's not a favorite. Oh, you know what? There's peanut. He can have some. Ginger can have some. Okay. I'm going to say that this is not going to be a favorite of mine. Tomorrow, I'm going to do the review of... Let me go get it. Show you what it is. didn't get the charbroil burgers that I want to try tomorrow. We've already had them, and they were so good. And I want to do a review on them because they really are good. For a frozen, okay, let me tell you something. This is not stuff that I generally eat, but this is stuff that that my husband likes to buy, because he takes stuff to the ranch with him. He'll have it when he's there, and you know, sometimes him and my brother will have one for lunch or something. But I mean, like, we're not making meals out of this stuff, so I don't want to hear any bullshit about that. Okay, I mean, it's just like, this is just stuff that, you know, there are some people that just stock their freezers full of this type of stuff, and it's okay. That's what you want to do. But for the most part, we're eating home cooked meals. I'm only doing this to give you the review on it because it is a once in a sometime. I'm cleaning up my fingernails. It is a once in a sometime type of thing. Okay, so anyway, tomorrow I'm going to do a review on these, the Philly steak sandwiches that are really good. Well, I'm not going to say they're really good. I'm going to say they are marginally good. And I will show you them tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, that's that for the steak-eze Chop House Favorites chicken bacon club sandwich. It left me flat. Bye.